Wave to the camera. And whoa, we don't want to go that way, do we? Good morning everybody. It's Sunday morning. Very early. I think it's about 6:25. Sun has only been up for about 20 minutes. And I'm going on my second ride on my Honda CT125. Okay, all clear. So this morning I thought I might head down to the Broadwater and fly the drone. I can tell you it's pretty chilly in this in the shade. Early morning bike riders, won't be long before they start wearing some thermals underneath to keep them warm. Oh boy, that sun is glary. I don't think we do have an internal visor. Oh, there we go. Internal visor on the helmet, put it on. Now to get to where I want to go, we should just go straight ahead at the light, but I'm going to turn left. Probably put the sun in my eye again. But I like coming along this road, the Esplanade, Labrador, because you get to see all of those beautiful buildings. Well mate, if you're coming out, come out. You get to see all those tall buildings down at Main Beach and Surfers Paradise. You get to see the beautiful water and the boats parked here, which is great. And you get the early morning risers out for a walk and I guess running like that young lady there. Maybe going for a swim, like this guy looks like he's got his towel wrapped around him. Looks like he's either been or going. Right, South Fork Bridge. You leave South Fork and get into Main Beach. And we're going to turn left. Find somewhere to park up along here and we'll fly that drone. Up here somewhere, I think. Going to the car park. Right, let's get this drone out. Get these gloves off for a start. Yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful day. Gotta have the glasses. Without the glasses I can't see diddly squat when it comes to controlling the drone, so I need them. Okay, drone. Here we go. Alright, take off with caution. Okay, let's do that. Away we go. Up a bit higher, go forward, turn around so you can see me. Here we go. Lower the gimbal a little bit, wave to the camera, and whoa, we don't want to go that way, do we? Okay, drone flying down here, done. Okie dokie Smokey, let's get on this little machine and go for a ride. So drone flying at the Broadwater boat ramp. Let's go home a different way.